In this video, I am going to show you how to add the Duolingo Widget home screen. So what you'll need to do first is simply go and access Duolingo in your mobile. Once you do so, you should find yourself, of course, here. And of course, if you're not logged in into an account, by any chance, just go and log in into your account. So normally, the widgets different, of course, from one phone to another. If you do have an iPhone, as example, you already have a widgets option. You can just go to it, and you'll be able to add the specific widgets for your Duolingo. So since I don't have that as example in the simulator, I just open here my real phone. So in my real phone example, to open the widgets, I can just go to any empty space and I will hold my finger. Once I do so, I'll have this option. And here as an example, I can go and click on widgets. Once I go to widgets, here I'll basically have to look for Duolingo. Once I find Duolingo, I'll be able to add all the widgets that it has. Of course, I can just, as you can see, it has two widgets. It has the streak widget, also like two streak widgets, but one is 2x1 on the view, and one is 2 or 4x2. So I can just go and click on it, and I'll be able to add it wherever I want. So as you can see, I can even take it wherever I want, like here. So let me just go and add another widget, like the other Duolingo widgets as well. I'll add this one as well. And as you can see, I can click here. So for me, I'm logged out, so it's not working. But for me, I can click on it, as an example, logged in into an account, and I'll be able to use it. As I said, the difference from one phone to another. If you're using, example, an iPhone, you'll have just to go to the widgets option. Of course, it's the same. I guess in iPhone, you'll have just to click on an empty space until everything starts shaking. Then you will find like a plus icon, you can click on it and you'll be able to add widgets. Some phones you'll have to shake it, as an example, like let me just see if my phone that you'll have to shake it. So okay, it's not like working, but of course it differs from one phone to another. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.